Hey class, Dr. Mac here, just checking in on week 6, the shadow side of peace building. This is actually my favorite week in this course. Some might find that weird because it's looking at the dark side of peace building ourselves, the way we lead. But I actually find it the most interesting because oftentimes as leaders, as mindful leaders, we think that we are above it all and that we don't have a dark side or tendencies that aren't necessarily helpful in times of conflict. And so this is actually my favorite week, looking at the shadow self. And I hope that you guys will also enjoy this week's content in reference to Carl Jung's shadow. He also talks about the mask as well, in theory, and that is the parts that we don't want to admit that we have, which kind of leads to our shadow. And I actually wrote about this in some recent research that was published about how we compartmentalize ourselves at work and make ourselves appear to be different because we're afraid of shame or fear. We're afraid in general of conflict. So I just wanted to share my examples, as this often can happen in the workplace. And recognizing our shadow selves will help us be better healers and peace builders. And so I hope you enjoyed this week's content. As always, feel free to reach out should you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.